Here are the top 10 vegan dishes by 2030. Number 10. Vegan pancakes. Currently 10th. Fluffy pancakes made without eggs or dairy, often using bananas or flaxseed. Loved for their taste, ease of preparation, and versatility with toppings. Remains stable by 2030 as vegan brunch culture continues to grow. Number 9. Stuffed bell peppers. Currently 8th. Peppers filled with grains, beans, and vegetables, then baked. Still favored for presentation and wholesome appeal. Slight drop as lighter, quicker options take center stage. Number 8. Chickpea salad. Currently 9th. Cold salad with chickpeas, vegetables, olive oil, and herbs. Quick, filling, and nutrient-dense with global flavor adaptability. Rises by 2030 with interest in Mediterranean and protein-rich salads. Number 7. Vegan mac and cheese. Currently 6th. Pasta in a creamy sauce made from cashews, potatoes, or nutritional yeast. A nostalgic and comforting favorite with a dairy-free twist. Slight dip as trends shift toward whole foods, but still popular for comfort food lovers. Number 6. Vegan sushi. Currently 7th. Sushi rolls filled with avocado, cucumber, tofu, or pickled veggies instead of fish. Satisfies sushi cravings while being ocean-friendly and visually appealing. Rises by 2030 with the boom in plant-based Japanese cuisine and ocean sustainability concerns. Number 5. Tofu stir-fry. Currently 4th. Crispy tofu with mixed vegetables in a savory Asian-style sauce. A mainstay in vegan kitchens for its protein, taste, and speed. Stable rank due to consistent global appeal and fast prep time. Number 4. Vegan curry. Currently 3rd. Spiced coconut or tomato-based curry with lentils, chickpeas, or vegetables. Loved for being hearty, customizable, and globally inspired. Maintains strong popularity by 2030 due to flavor and cultural variety. Number 3. Jackfruit tacos. Currently 5th. Pulled jackfruit seasoned and cooked to mimic shredded meat in tacos. High in fiber, low in fat, and beloved for its meat-like texture. Climbs by 2030 as jackfruit becomes more globally available and recognizable. Number 2. Vegan burger. Currently 1st. Plant-based burger made from ingredients like soy, beans, lentils, or lab-grown meat substitutes. Still a go-to fast food alternative with improved taste and texture. Slight drop as newer dishes with more nutritional depth gain traction. Number 1. Vegan Buddha bowl. Currently 2nd. A nutritious bowl with grains, legumes, vegetables, and tahini or peanut dressing. Matches the global trend toward clean eating, personalization, and balanced nutrition. Rises by 2030 due to being Instagram-friendly, highly customizable, and ideal for meal prep.